your teeth together for me and let all your out and relax. Oh,
yeah. Oh, mother of God.
Slide cervical rotary brake. Drop this in my hand. There you go. Drop, tilt right. Oh, yeah. Crack addicts are going to love you. Okay, just keep breathing. Yep. Crack addicts are going to love you. Okay, let me have you. That's all. Okay. And they charge for that too. Nice deep breath through your nose. Oh yeah, boy, home run. There. That might be what I entitled this video. That was great.
Oh.
See, this is where I get my work.
Play the rich guy, so I don't have to do a whole lot of stuff. Yep.
Better to play the rich guy, though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, breathe. There it is, right there.
Oh,
yes, sir.
Yes.
Nicole, that was a home run. Let me have you. Okay, tilt right. There it is. Now, tilt left with your right big toe. Okay, that's all she's going. I'm not going to force it. Teeth surgeon. And then they come here to see me and see what the difference is in our examinations, histories, and approaches to. There we go. Okay, nice deep breath. Just like that. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Just like that. Inspiration to other veterans. There we go. We just would really like for the Department of Veterans Affairs. Take nice deep breath. Just like that. Significant YouTube video we've ever done. There we go. Good job. Phantom pain syndrome. There we go. Crack guys get mad when I talk. Now just breathe through your nose with your left big toe. There you go. Yes. Okay. Left. Good girl. Tilt right. Boy, doesn't get any better than that. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh boy. Well, I bet you're gonna. Okay. Yes, sirree. Got some really big assassins coming here. Okay. There you go. They're DOD assassins. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Tilt right with your left ear. There you go. There you go. Gotcha. Did that rib hurt as much on that one?
Yes.
Yep. Sorry. Okay. Gotta let go though. There you go. Alright. 5, L4, L3, L2, and then we're gonna get into his lower thoracics, which went great. Mid thoracics. Keep breathing, Tracy. Okay, I'm gonna have to bust them.
That's one bearing left.
There you go. You should have felt that go all the way down your spine. Yeah. No, not yet. Drop it in my hand. Tilt your head left. There you go. Tilt your head right. That's it. Yes. Yes, sir. Good job. There. Okay. Nice deep breath. Exhale. There you go. Now you should have felt me have your neck. There you go. Yes, sir. Now you've been in jail. Okay, keep your teeth together for me, please, Joshua. There you go. That's it. I see he lets go. That's heaven. There you go. There it is. Okay. Left ear. There you go.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. Let me have you. I got you. There. Drop it. Yes, sir. Just like that. Okay, keep breathing. Yep. There we go. Super. Breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Yes, sir. Let me have it. There you go. That's it. Z-axis. Oh, that's a good one. There you go. Yep. On his chin, I'm not choking him with his neck like some have said. There you go. Now you should have. Okay. Nope, let me do the work. You're trying to help me. I don't need your help. Where your left big toe? Where your right big toe? Boy. This is one of those hurt so good things. There. You'll feel a lot better when it quits hurting. There we go. What it was.
Yeah.
I don't know how you can explain it when you don't even know what it is. There you go. Oh, you felt that all the way down, remember?
Right.
Drop it in my hand. There you go. A new patient. There we go. You feel that? Okay, let me do it. Tilt your head left. See, adjusting George's vertebrae is like moving a Volkswagen. There you go. Okay, still got it. There. Whew.
Working on it.
Oh, yeah. Boy. Getting a little of that kyphotic. Oh, boy. Home run. There we go. Oh, boy. Crack there. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yep, crack addicts gonna love this crack addict. Breathe through your nose. Yes, sir. Home run. Okay, I got you. That's it. Dropping my hand. I'm putting your cervical curve back in. Oh, yeah. Good. Okay. 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 Ilii to the coccyx. Ilii being plural for left and right ilium. There we go. There. Good. Teeth together. Just breathe through your nose. Just like that. Yes, sir. Here. Oh, yeah. Okay, I got you. Nope, nope. You're trying to help me on that one. Just tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Move your left foot. Okay.